Hi guys, how are you? It's Umar. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to upload longer videos on TikTok up to 3 minutes. So before wasting your time, let me just show you. So the first step is that you guys should open the TikTok app, and the second step is that you guys should tap on this me icon. Third step is that you guys need to tap on these three dots. After that the setting and privacy tab will open, and you need to tap on manage account. And when you enter the manage account, you guys need to go to the switch to the creator account. Because I am in creator account, so it's showing switch to personal account, but for you it will show that creator account. And after you switch to the creator account, you guys can upload longer videos than 1 minute and up to 3-minute videos. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give it a heart or thumbs up. It will be very good. And if there is anything like this you want to know about, just say it in the comments and I will do a video about that. I will make a video about that. Thanks a lot.